Good-ish afternoon. So Jason touched the path code again, right before the Steam release. And somehow in the process of attempting to import patches, like stuff got applied to the wrong patch, and it's just all amazingly screwed up. So I've tried to reset things. I think I reset to the wrong place. I don't remember. I assumed at like 163 was where we applied stuff last, but maybe it was actually down here. And we hadn't actually gotten to 163 yet. But I think I actually had something that was working here, but I hadn't necessarily re-exported it. So it might actually have been here that I need to reset to, and then reapply the patches that I have. And stgit's just almost unworkable at this point, because if you say import a patch, it doesn't work, it just stops. It doesn't give you the diff to partially apply to fix, it just says, nope, sorry. So we've some reason stopped here. I don't know why. And I don't think there's any kind of reset. You just have to individually delete every single patch. Well, maybe I should unapply these all. I don't think there's an all for this. Yeah, maybe there is. Nope. And push, custom, git, ignore. Alright, git status. Right, we moved our custom git ignore. Git reset hard to this one, which is 55B161. Git status. We're on our local master, hopefully at this place. Make sure we can actually build. And this might be a little bit weird because there were some data changes in the meantime. All right. Next up, we attempt to, I think this is where I had exported the patches. So we're going to try once again to do a series import. See if we can actually get this back to a work. No. Well. Okay, so this is only complaining about trailing white space, which is more of a source material issue. Okay. So that actually works. That was pretty much the state they were in. And now the problem is, well, no, the rebase sort of worked. The problem is that every time I rebase, it gets itself into an error state. And I somehow refreshed changes into the wrong patch. Alright, so now we want to, having that got working, this is supposed to be the same as, well, except rebase will actually stop with changes in tree, so you can fix it. Well, actually it was import that was not. Maybe push would? I don't know. Anyway, what was kind of working up to a point. was rebase, but I'm just gonna have to, like, do paranoid, like, repair and check where I'm at and stuff. Okay, STG series. We did stop at auto run, that's not surprising. I'm just gonna do a paranoid repair and see where we're at. Because I had to do, yep, that pushed us back one. STG status. But we're still in the conflict state, which is weird because we're back on the other patch. Okay, now can we STG push? STG status. Does it show? That doesn't give me the message. Series. Okay, now it thinks we're on auto run with the conflicts. And now that we've done repair, it will hopefully not be it will hopefully allow us to actually commit the changes once we've made them. Which is the problem I ran into before. Okay, so we have changes. And I think this may be the changes I made earlier, except I wasn't able to commit them. I repaired, and then it refreshed them onto the wrong patch. So we've got that. We have replaced that. So this is part of the code he removed. We replaced... so this code got replaced with that code. So I replaced this, but now it is this statement, or with get live object. So this entire statement got replaced by that. And then all the patch stuff. So this is the stuff he reintroduced. And I'm not sure how these blank lines distribute. All right, and there are no further changes in the file. So now I think I had actually gotten to the point where I tested this before. And copy to build Windows. Nope. Copy onelife.exe. Unix copy. And we're back down here, build. So this is where I'm kind of wishing or thinking about switching to like, oh, and actually having logged in once, I should just be able to set this to auto login. Which is what I had this window for. The way today's been going, I'm surprised it took that long to sneeze. So I think this actually works, amazingly enough. Yep, I've been standing here for a while. So he's got the hold, and then immediately stops. And then I've got double click. I could actually start here. Amazingly not. I wasn't really setting an inefficient place. All right, so now we just have to not mess up how we commit this. STG status is the conflicted. STG show. Now, this doesn't give us... Is there like a verbose or something that shows us the message? No, it doesn't tell us the name of the patch we're on. At which point you have to rely on STG series to say, okay, we're on this. So git add game source living life. Now, since we're on auto run, we should be able to refresh. Okay, so it's showing that because it was in a weird state. So now, this is mouse click, mouse held, auto run. That's for the double click tracking. And we were, because I know I did, at one point I had something that erased the, or removed the path when stopping. I didn't see any problems there. So path, 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 we click. Okay. It immediately exits. It's fine. It's working. That's the double click detection. Yeah, switching down to held. Down to held. Or auto run. This is somewhere else. I think well, it seems to be working fine. And this is the problem we just know. Or was it? Well, definitely had this detection here. Yep, and then this was what we just edited. Okay, but there actually was a blank line there. Okay. I mean... Nah. STG refresh. STG show. One we just fixed. Okay, mouse held false. Right. Okay, so now we can attempt to push the next patch. Okay. Okay. All right, so, yeah, so it was figuring out how do we reset state to a known good condition, and then doing the proactive repair instead of, yeah, because I tried to refresh, it couldn't refresh. I repaired, it reset my patchback one, and then I refreshed onto the wrong thing. Which was... I guess I should have checked status after repair, but it's still unintuitive. Alright, so now that we have that updated, we should be able to STG export. And then if we go to patches master, and then these are all actually going to be touched a little bit, just because of line numbers. And then that actually had changes. And the rest of these should be what? I don't remember ever touching that. Which one got you? Animation Bank. The only one that should be touching that. Right, well, these are, right, these are, oh, this might be changing the context area of, oh yeah, this is the change in the context area of a patch. So that's probably okay. It gets confusing when you got diffs on diffs. And the series is going to change its baseline. Show path while holding button got reverted. All right, we got a baseline there. Oh, I guess I should actually do, you know, a full patch checkout. You know, actually see if it runs. Alright, my previous person had died, so that still has no. I do. Sometimes I didn't detect that for some reason. So I'm shivering. And the other thing was click behind trees, which seems to be fine. This should be enough to get a little bit of sweat going. Maybe? Yeah. Okay, yep, that's still working. Alright, so we take that. So the thing I still don't know is, has he actually published the mainline update? So I'm going to have to load this. I think I'm still set to go onto a random server that, well, let me double check there's still nobody there. Oh, no, I still got that up. Okay, yep. Nobody on that server. Waiting to be born. Alright. So, let's see. Maybe he didn't actually publish that client yet? Let's see. So I think that should still be regular stock. That should still be the copy from our existing one. Let's see if I can log in, connect to that okay. So this should still have my mainline settings. Okay, so I'm just an Eve starving out there. Alright, so I can set that back to regular connect to anything, and I should be good to go. Alright, well, was hoping that maybe I could get some help there if I needed it. But now, oh, okay, yeah, because it's in full screen mode. I should actually be able to play that game. So I am going to drop and switch back to my high frame rate settings and change game and title and all that good stuff. And then we'll hopefully actually be playing the game instead of trying to fix it. So programming-wise, we're done. I'll still be back in a minute, but yeah, see you in a few.